Have you ever wanted to send a custom emoji but you find out that it just doesn't exist? Well, now you can create your own custom emoji with Apple's new Genmoji feature, which is part of Apple Intelligence. It's brand new and still in beta at the time of this video, but it's a work in progress and it's a lot of fun to play around with. So let me show you how I've been using it, and maybe I'll inspire some creativity. But first, let's sit through a really boring 10-minute introduction. Just kidding, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start by opening up Genmoji. I couldn't even find this at first. I think I had to ask ChatGPT. So you just tap on the emoji icon, and now it says describe an emoji. I like to press this glowing smiley face, which pulls up the Genmoji screen. And from here you could start playing. Now you can start by typing pretty much anything you want, and it will generate an emoji. And as long as you keep swiping, it will keep generating. Now you can also start with a person. So it's starting with me, or what things I look like. You could even choose a different photo if you want. Or you can choose an emoji instead and edit that emoji's appearance. Man, woman, kid, different skin tones. Let's leave it yellow. So you can start by saying person, and it comes up with the emoji, walking dog. So it shows you it's using that emoji, and yeah, it's walking a dog. And you can change things, like you can put black dog, and the results are typically pretty similar unless you change something about it. Maybe you can type huge black dog. It's not really changing much. And again, this is in beta, it's not perfect. Maybe you can change it to a blue shirt. All right. And I can change the person too. I could make it a woman. Or I could make it me. Well, except I'm no longer walking the dog. Oh, there we go. There's me walking a black dog. Well, maybe it's kind of huge. I don't know. But yeah, the results are pretty good, except that looks nothing like me. Oh, maybe the beard. What if we type in something that Apple may not like sexy? Oh, all right. Okay, a lot of the same. That means we're gonna have to go ahead and add more words. How about dress? It's always red. What if we said black? Okay, not bad. What if we changed her hair? Pigtails. All right, I mean, this isn't too bad actually. And what if we put me in there? Oh, there we go. All right, I gotta save this one. All right, and if you want, you can just tap these dots over here, save to stickers. And then, if I want to send a text, sexy? Yeah, there it is. Let's try my son with a ninja outfit. Hey, he's a ninja. Let's change it to a green ninja outfit. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Should we do throwing star? Oh, wow, that is great. I am saving that one. I feel like one of the things you could use Genmoji for is to produce an emoji that Apple doesn't yet have an emotion for. right? I mean, because there's just certain things that I want to express and they don't exist. How about aroused? Oh, I don't know about that. Okay, these emojis look worried. None of that arousal, please. Whoa, okay, this is shocking. That's just confusing. That's the opposite of arousal. I have no idea what that is. Is that antennas coming out of his head? Alright. Shocked and in love. Let's try coffee addiction. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Ooh, 2 cups, just like I like in the morning. Alright, see, this is right on the nose here. Wow, alright. Now I'm aroused, Apple. Hey, this one's wearing a hat. He's got coffee bean eyes. I'm really liking these. I'm gonna have a lot of these to go back and save. Alright, there's a fist. This one's just spilling all over the saucer. Ooh, that's a good one too. Oh, perfect. Apple is respecting my coffee addiction. Let's try something with animals. Cat eating grapes. All right, so cat eating grapes. Oh, I like this kind of cat. So I guess we can change that, right? Like, let's say tabby cat eating grapes. So we get more of those, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that one's upside down. I like that. I'm gonna save that one. But let's say, you know what? We're gonna say green grapes. So there's a lot you can do. If you don't like what it produces, you can change it. Now I have a tabby cat eating green grapes. And let's go a step further and see if it could handle sunglasses. Perfect. Look at that. So you can really custom tailor these. And once you do, it'll usually produce very similar images. Okay, let's try dog pooping. See what happens there. Oh, okay, well, that's like half dog, half poop. Oh, that one may be a little more accurate. Looks like there's poop shooting out of its butt. There's another combination. I'm not really crazy about those. Ooh, it's like shining dog twins. Interesting. All right, there's a puddle of water next to it. Okay, so you got to play with it. It produced mixed results there. Okay, what about a drink? Like a Bloody Mary. Let's see what it does with that. Oh, it wants Mary to be a person, doesn't it? Okay, what about red cocktail with celery? Oh, there we go. You know what? It doesn't look right though. It needs to be in a tall glass. How about that? Oh, there we go. That looks like a Bloody Mary. Okay, should I add olives? Oh, perfect. All right. Let's see if there's things Apple won't do. Let's try cannabis. Oh, there it is. Well, I guess it is legal in most places, right? Oh, interesting. And let's add to that. Let's say dispensary. What happens there? Oh, hey, that's not too bad. Go Apple. It also won't use anything copyrighted, but you could just describe it. Hey, is it using me? Oh, what's that on my head? It also isn't letting me do jujitsu. Well, actually, it's asking me to choose a person. Okay. Is it Scott Jitsu? Yeah, that's not working. It seems to have trouble with certain things. I believe this is because of the hyphens. Let's remove those. And there we go. One last thing we should talk about is saving these Genmojis so we can use them. Let's just create one last one. Okay, so all we have to do is save to stickers. We could also add a caption too. Scott pole vaulting. Well, that seems like, I wonder if you could do like, let's try like SPV as an abbreviation. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll find out together. Yeah, pole, I typed in pole and it came up. Vault, let's try SPV. Hey, that did not work, interesting. So let's just pull up a couple of others. Cat, there's the cat eating grapes, it came right up. You could also just pull it up by going into stickers and seeing all of your creations right there. So when we're typing something in, we can just go ahead and type in ninja, and here's the ninja I created earlier. Bam. And that's Genmoji. Well, that about does it for today. Hey, why am I a piece of shit? I don't know why I have to say this, but if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe for more content like this. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.